Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today's Monday. It's February 11th. Hope you guys had a great weekend here. We got actually a pretty quiet day today. There's nothing on the economic calendar today. So we're taking most of our stuff on the geopolitical side of things. And today we got stock market's actually up. We had stock market was down the last couple of days, Thursday, Friday. But today there's a little bit of optimism. There's negotiations going on between the Democrats and Republicans regards to border security. We have until end of this week by midnight to get something in place. Otherwise, there's a potential government shutdown again that could have to partake. And of course, that's the last thing anybody wants. So hopefully we can get that resolved. Also, there's some lower level U.S. representatives in Beijing starting today regards to trade negotiations with China. And later in the week will be Steven Mnuchin and Lighthizer who will be flying over, and will be some upper level U.S. Partaking in the negotiations. So this whole week we'll be in negotiations with U.S. The China-U.S. Trade negotiations. So that's obviously a good sign that we're getting back together and hopefully trying to hammer some type of deal out that both sides can like and move forward here. Then this week also we got quite a few Fed members speaking. I don't anticipate anything changes, but if any of them talks off cue regards to the dovish stance of late, or maybe talks a little bit about global slowdown, that could potentially spook the market. So depending on what's said, it could create a little volatility with the markets. But overall, the Fed, since their December rate hike, it seemed like now all of a sudden they kind of did a 180 and are a little bit more dovish than they were before after hiking, having four rate hikes last year. And this year they said, now the talk is that the next rate movement could be actually downwards. So let's kind of move forward and see how this is affecting the bond market. The bond market is actually down. We're down currently to about 11 basis points. This may lead some investors or some lenders to price for the worst as we've kind of dropped. We're kind of still in this middle range as we've been, so we have room to go either direction. But so far we're actually downwards as the stocks are continuing to go positive. That's going to take money from the mortgage-backed securities, and that will drive prices down, and therefore interest rates rise. So we'll have to kind of wait and see. It will take its cue mostly from the stock market today, as the stock market's up a little bit so far today here. Whoops. Oh, sorry about that. I got the wrong cue here. 10-year Treasury, of course, that I put the wrong one in there. Sorry about that. So I'll have to fix that for tomorrow. But anyways, same thing. If anything changes, I'll go ahead and post on Twitter here at Mike Bjork. You can follow me over there if anything changes. But so far today, it's been relatively quiet. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.